Hello, today I will show you how to access different secret menus in Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power button and swiping up. Let's access phone and the keypad. And now we have to input a few different codes. Let's start with the firmware code. So we have to put in asterisk, hash, 1, 2, 3, 4 and hash. And this will open the firmware version menu. Here we can check stuff like our firmware or the full model number of our phone, and we can leave it by pressing the back button like normal. Let's try another code. Let's start with the advanced testing menu by putting in the asterisk, hash, 0, asterisk and hash. This opens the advanced testing menu. Here we can check things like if the screen has any dead pixels by putting in red, green, blue. We can also check the vibration, the receiver and other things like the touch screen by seeing if everything works. Of course, if you don't have a back button, the volume up button works as well. And we can also check the speaker and many different things. Let's go back by pressing the back key 2 times and let's put another one. Now let's check the service mode by putting in asterisk and then hash, 0, 0, 1, 1 and hash. This is the service mode. We can check SIM information. We have 2 SIM slots on our phone. The second one is in use. We can check different things about it here and go with the back button. Another one is the battery testing menu. We put it in by putting asterisk, hash, 0, 2, 2, 8 and hash. This is the battery status menu. Here we can check the voltage, the levels, how many blocks the battery has and many different information. Let's go back and put in another one. Here let's check the USB mode menu by putting in asterisk, hash, 0808 and hash. This is the USB settings menu. Here we can choose how our phone is being seen when it's being plugged in into a PC. There are different modes. We can choose any one and then put OK on or reboot our device. And of course we can also always click OK to go back or the back button. Let's check the advanced firmware menu by putting in asterisk, hash, 2, 6, 6, 3, hash. Here we have the firmware version. We can check things like the phone's touchpad firmware version or the Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version and many different things. And of course we can leave it by going back. And the last secret menu code is the asterisk, hash, 0, 6, hash. And this opens our email information. We can check what our phone's email number is or even use a barcode to scan and check it. And that's it. These are all the secret codes in Samsung Galaxy A9. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe.